Hello everyone, this is Sholanki. Welcome to our channel. Today we will know about global warming. We know that Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. Now what is that which is making Earth so different? What exactly is making Earth such a favorable place to live on? That is an atmosphere that shelters it from the roast of the sun rays. Earth has an atmosphere that consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide and neon. Now what is global warming? To understand global warming, one must have the concept of greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon critical for the survival of living beings on the planet Earth. This effect helps the Earth to remain warm. The process is simply that greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, ozone, nitrous oxide trap the outgoing solar energy reflected by the Earth's surface and keep the Earth warm. What is responsible for global warming? The real question are not what, but who and when. The what is easy, it's carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases. And the who is also easy, it's human. Carbon dioxide is classified as greenhouse gas, and what they do, they trap the heat reflected off Earth's surface. Therefore, human emitting more carbon dioxide in atmosphere makes the Earth warmer. How much are humans really contributing to global warming? It's very likely, we don't know, but here are some food for thought. Our population has increased by almost 300% since 1915 up to 7 billion people. And we humans are the most successful animal on the planet. Our success is due to our ability to change our environment to suit our needs. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, burning coals to generate electricity, burning oil to power vehicles and aircraft, or burning wood in fires used to cooking or provide heat changes the state of sorted organic carbon from a liquid into a gas which is released into the atmosphere. Deforestation, decomposing organic matter, natural gas extraction, fertilizers, industrial appliances has led to this effect. And the effects of global warming. Although it can be hard to say what exactly will come from global warming, these are some of the effects which are already taking place and which are predicted to take place in the future, like more acidic ocean, melting ice and coastal flooding, more polluted air, longer and more destructive wildfire season, increased intensity of hurricanes and other atmospheric natural disasters, more frequent and more intense heat waves. Last but not the least, increased disease. We would not be able to stop global warming completely. Some amount of warming has already occurred and even more is expected to occur in near future. We will however be able to slow it down, possibly soon enough to avoid the roast effect of climate change. Scientists have determined the safe level of warming to be below 2 degrees Celsius, which we are dangerously close to reaching. 2 degrees of warming will occur when the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 450 parts per million. Currently, we are at 390 parts per million. Future is in danger and it's high time we have to think about it now. Here is some tips to control global warming, like drive less, walk, bike, carpool or take mass transit more often. We will save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile we don't drive. Recycle more, plant tree. A single tree will absorb 1 type of carbon dioxide over its lifetime. And avoid products with lots of packaging. Just don't buy products with lots of packaging. When we buy such products, we will end up in throwing the worst material in the garbage, which then will help in filling landfill sites and pollute the environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.